In World Soccer Champs, there's a key feature that helps keep the game balanced: youth players, also known as academy graduates. These players appear when one of your squad members retires at 35 or older. When that happens, the game gives you a young replacement who inherits the exact same position. If the retiring player had a dual position, the new player will also inherit both. The nationality of the youth player is usually the same as your club, but it can also come from neighboring countries or those with strong connections to your league. The player's overall rating and potential are partially random, but they're heavily influenced by your academy level. With a high-level academy, you can find real gems. But even with a basic academy, it's still profitable to keep veterans until retirement. You can see it clearly with a simple calculation: even my worst youth players doubled the value of the veteran they replaced. Young players almost always hold more market value than older ones. In this video, I'm sharing a list of the oldest and cheapest veterans, perfect for starting your hunt for academy talents. Keep in mind, not all players retire at the same time, and around 12 retirements can happen each season. So tell me, what's the best youth player you've ever gotten? And if you want to see your name on screen and support this content, consider becoming a channel member for perks like exclusive emojis, early access videos, and more. See you in the next chapter of the Football Academy.